Hello everyone. This is going to be a small video tutorial about the update that Google Meet has. Just basically showing you what's the same and what's different within this new interface update. So down here you can see the microphone symbols is still the same. You can still mute and unmute your microphone. The camera is still the same. You can turn off and off the camera. Closed captioning, of course, if you want to put closed captioning, transcribed captioning for your Google Meet. You can raise your hand if in case any students want to raise their hand during some sort of meeting or lecture that anyone has during their class. You're able to present and share your screen. Of course, if you want to show a video presentation or an example online, you can definitely do that with this button here. Here you have the more options menu. So basically it's going to show you all these different types of options. It would be the whiteboard, record the meeting, change the layout, full screen, etc. So this is definitely if you want to do setting different things there, you can do that. And of course here's if you want to leave the call as well. Over here is the meeting details. So basically showing you the Google Meet link, the phone number to dial in case you're not near your laptop or a PC, and the PIN number in case you do dial in and want to join the specific meeting. Down here is the menu for the people who joined into your meeting. So you have, if let's say you have a class, there would be many people populated down here. Of course, if you want to mute all of them, you have the ability to do that or add other people. And of course, control the different host controls. Here's the chat menu, of course. So here would be if anybody in the class would like to subscribe any input or anything, you can definitely put their chat here, and it will definitely populate as soon as those students or you as the faculty member will try to engage the students with any type of activity. And over here would be the activities menu, showing you the different types of activities you can do. In this case would be whiteboard and recording. Other times with faculty members would have different types of polls and breakout rooms. So here would be be populated around here in this menu. And of course here will be the host control. Here showing you the different things such as sharing your screen if you would like faculty or like you or the students share the screen. Of course send chat messages. Other things like quick access if you want to let a person come in instantly, or they would have to send a request to join the class. So there, right here would be that menu here showing. As you can see here, if someone joins my room, they will appear right over here. You will be appearing right down here. And of course, if you decide to share your screen, so you share your screen right here, and let's just say I want to share. Let's say I want to share this window over here. Your screen's going to appear right over here on the left side.